As of August 1st, 2024, a new law went into effect in New Jersey requiring all real estate property sellers in New Jersey to complete a seller's disclosure property statement prior to listing their home for sale. And all buyers of properties have the right to review this statement before making an offer. This is an example of the form, which I'll link down below. You could follow along. It's around 10, 11 pages. It's to be completed by the seller and then reviewed by the buyer and signed prior to making an offer. In this form is all knowledge that the seller has of the property to the best of their knowledge, as well as information regarding flood and flood disclosure. That's also required now in New Jersey, that all sellers and landlords must disclose the flood status, where the property is in a flood map, any flood history. That is all required now in New Jersey as of August 1st, 2024. And the flood is part of this document, which I'll go over shortly. So the seller will complete this document, where the property is located, their names, and all knowledge that they have about the property to the best of their knowledge. If they don't know something, they do have the option to select unknown. You can review this form, and then when you do a home inspection, you can discuss it with your home inspector so that if there's items of certain concern, that they could definitely pay attention to those items when you perform the home inspection. But just running through it, information about the roof, how old is the roof, attic, basement, crawl spaces, all information regarding that. Wood destroying insects, termites, if the seller has any knowledge of that, structural, if they've done remodeling, plumbing, heating and cooling systems, fireplace issues, electrical systems, also information outside the house as far as drainage, land issues, environmental hazards that the seller may be aware of, deed restrictions that they may be aware of. There's a miscellaneous section that is kind of a catch-all that covers other items that may not be included in the previous section. Radon gas, if they have any knowledge of radon gas. The appliances, solar panels, if they have solar panels on the property, if they've had water intrusion. Starting at line 423, this entire section is about the flood risk. Any knowledge of flooding, where's the property located in the flood zone. The seller will have to look up on a FEMA website where their property is located. Is it in a 500-year floodplain? Is it a 100-year floodplain? Have they had any flooding? History of flooding, that's all to be discussed here. If there's anything additional, they'll put that here. They will sign it along with their agent, and then the buyer will sign it along with the buyer's agent. And so this is a disclosure form that is now required in New Jersey of all property sellers. I will link this down below. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to me anytime at walter@livingonthehudson.com or at 347-448-3766. Have a great day.